guys! Welcome sa aming channel. Yes,
hi.
Hello, hi. Kamusta kayo? I hope you're doing great. So anyway guys, today we were going to share with you ang aming experience nung kami ay nag-travel to Ireland. Do you remember?
Indeed. Fantastic.
Yeah, we had a lot of beautiful memories in Ireland and we will show you a lot of pictures and also some videos, lalo na dun sa parting Northern Ireland. And I'm really sure na you will like it because I know that famous sila because they have the Baileys. They are famous because of the Baileys, but not only the Baileys. Because because they have a lot of beautiful places to visit and talagang hindi kayo magsisisi.
So the island is like a garden.
Yes. So if you are also looking and if you also wanna know how to apply visa for Ireland, I also did a vlog about this. Just yeah, just look out in sa sa playlist ko ng travel and applying visa. Malalaman niyo kung paano kayo makakuha ng visa niyo. So but for the meantime, sigla. guys, that's it for today. I hope you really enjoy and like watching our trip in Ireland. And as what I've told you, Ireland is very beautiful country, and it is a must. It is a must. It's a must.
It's a must.
Yes, and you know, Europe is very beautiful to visit. But syempre, kapag sa mga parte na ganyan na lugar, talagang mas special na. And of course, kung gusto niyo magbiyahe dyan, much better if you will rent a car, kasi that's what we did. So nag-rent kami ng car for like 4 days if I'm not mistaken. So mas marami kami nalibot, especially sa parting north, kasi talagang pag pumunta kayo doon, kailangan nyo ng car para talagang ma-visit nyo ng bonggang-bongga. And so guys, thank you again for watching, and of course,
don't forget to subscribe
and click the notification bell for more videos. See you tomorrow. Bye. God bless you all. Ciao, ciao, ciao.
Bye.
Bye-bye.